Okay. Hey folks, it's been not that long actually. Let me see here. When was the last stream that I did? Um, so view my channel. I guess let's go live. Yeah, okay, the last stream was 4 days ago. So not that long. Not that long. Um, but yeah, we got some outbound PRs. Oh, I need to replace this monitor, don't I? I've got a very sad monitor off to my right. Um, and we're gonna do some streaming. We're gonna do a mixture of things today. So today, roughly speaking, the plan is I've got an outbound Spark PR which needs a little TLC to get it over the line, and then I've got a follow-on PR that I want to rejigger, sort of based on that if there's time. Um, there is some inbound code PRs that I want to take a look at. One of them I already started on, then I realized like I should do a quick stream about it, and talk through why it's not minor, and some other ones, of course, and then we'll go from there. Tonight, there's an event in San Francisco I'm planning to go to, which is like people working on their projects. I'll be trying to finish up High Performance Spark then. Okay. Hacking on. Hacky Spark times again. Can you join me? Or trying to unfuck my PR. Trying to let's improve. Get that PR over the finish line. Some code reviews and figuring out where to share the contributor sprint event. Okay, cool. Love it, love it. And then we're gonna go here, and then we're gonna go to Blue Sky. Uh, um, okay. It's a party. It's a party. Okay, how we doing? Okay, well, oh yeah, we should get some tunes going. Let's get some lo-fi royalty-free music streaming. Super important. Super important always. Let's go. What's our lo-fi royalty-free music? Okay. And it's a rough day for travel in the Bay Area. Because yeah. The BART is having a rough day. And the BART is super important. There's a lot of the traffic. And so when it has a rough day, everyone drives cars, and then when everyone drives cars, everything goes to hell. Cool. So terminal. So first things first. I wanted to like just do a quick like poke at this PR. Got this PR in saying like, hey, use existing Spark context if it already exists. Some problems with this. It doesn't use the existing Spark context if it already exists, right? Like that's not actually really. I mean, maybe it does. Actually, yeah. So it does here, right? However, this is what I would describe as not a small change. So it's tagged as minor, so it doesn't need a Jira and it doesn't need testing. But unfortunately, like this is sort of like the core constructor block for Spark. So I don't think this is minor, because like we've changed how configuration parameters are going to be passed in, and so this has potentially a really big impact. So I'm not comfortable with this being a quote-unquote minor PR. For some reason, my stream is having difficulty over on Twitch. So I'm going to go take a look at that really quickly. Is it just my phone is having a hard day? Yeah, okay, it's just my phone is having a hard day. That's fine. I don't mind. Okay. So I left a quick comment on this, which is just like, hey, I don't think this is minor. And also I don't see the benefit, right? Like, yeah, maybe unifying code, but certainly not worth it. Okay. Other thing that we need to do though is I've got a PR that's broken, but I need to fix, and that's much more important, at least to me. Oh, maybe it's not broken. Oh, maybe we get to merge it, and CloudFan approved it. Oh my God! Finally, this has been going on since before April 19th, 2024. Not quite at the 2-year mark for 268 lines of code. I love it. I love it. Okay. This one, I think, yeah, that's resolved. I'm going to go through and make sure that we've got everything resolved. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, there were a few minor comments. Okay, so, okay, changes approved, a few minor comments. Unfortunately, we do have to address them. But that's okay. That's okay, right? Minor comments, that's fantastic, right? Like, approve is main thing I care about. And there we've got Cloud Code working on the static website for my scooter club. Because I cannot do HTML to save my life. Okay. So, let's go find... Oh yeah, and I rebooted recently, so I actually don't have Emacs up. Yeah. Tells me it's an unsupported configuration and then continues to work surprisingly well. I love Emacs. I actually really do. Like, it's pretty great. Okay, optimizer.scala. Don't really care about Copilot. In Spark, it's not very useful. Okay, 2103. Here we go. Use aliases for condition. I really don't care about that, so let's go ahead. We'll replace... Use aliases for condition with original and rewritten. Let's make sure none of these are over 100. Okay, cool. Thumbs up that. Resolve. What about this one? No need to check config. Oh, true. Good point. Okay, yeah. Avoid double. Yeah. Ooh. And that actually simplifies this code a little bit. Not a huge amount, but enough. Okay, that's... Oh, yeah. A good catch. Okay. Cool. We only check that in one place. It's weird to put case 3 first. Okay, this is in the test suite. Okay, that's fine. I don't have strong opinions about that. Filter, push down, sweet. Okay. Okay. Comment. Resolve. Okay. Test. Um, actually, yeah, I guess we haven't really changed anything. There. Let's fix that. Original query. Good, good catch. Nothing changes. Nothing changes when everything is expensive. The shall we? Sure. Okay. In this case, that is going to change it because we're going to add in a $A, $B here. Okay. Okay, cool. That looks fine. Build SBT. And let's go. Loving it. I don't know. I really love when I manage to get things done because like I don't know. Open source is great, but there's a lot of like getting nothing done for a long period of time, or not getting nothing done. Or, like, things can be a lot slower, and so you have to have a lot of plates going, which is okay for like the ADHD brain in my experience, but it can be a little rough. Um, so yeah. Yep. Dude. Okay. Yeah. Um. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, this goes. Cool. Test pass and style check. Fantastic. Update style. Or no, code review feedback. Code review feedback. Some dead code. Refactor tests for clarity. What else did we do? Yeah. Var names. Cool. Awesome, 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 as we say. Um, yeah. Um, um, yeah. All right. Cool. So this is awesome. Unfortunately, CI takes a really, really long time, so we probably don't get to merge this, is my sort of default thought. Probably. Oh, awesome. We've got another PR from Celeste. Let's take a look at that. It's work in progress, so we won't. I like this. Hmm. Oh, this could be bad. I don't know. And then I think we're gonna go. Let's see. Devin had some PRs that we were looking at last time. So, oh, I like this one. This one I really wanted to merge. So we are gonna go ahead and review or merge some of Devin's PRs. We also wanted to take a look at Celeste's PR. That was supposed to be, I think, a bit further along on the Spark website. Did she get a chance to update it? Okay. Still draft. Has she updated it since? Nope. Okay. I'm gonna ping her. So I've got her Slack too. Oh wow. Okay. What's the API done? Just need to follow the. Okay. Gonna go find this. Just having a bit of difficulty with the build. The generating website instructions. You just need to follow the generating website instructions. Cool. I guess I'm running a hackathon on the 9th, apparently. I didn't think so. What are you doing? What are you doing? Have you built the Docker container? Okay, there we go. That's great. Wendy. Oh yay! Oh yay! Oh yay! Aw, it's good to see you. Okay, awesome. So then what's the other thing that we're gonna do? Oh wait, this does bring me up to the other thing, which is no, yeah, no, Wendy's sweet, and then, yep. Okay, and then Devin has shared this on LinkedIn, so we're gonna go find Devin on LinkedIn, and we're gonna use this. Yeah, there we go. Repost. Lunch is provided. I want taco. Okay. Repost with your thoughts. This is going to be this is going to be amazing. At Felix is also going to be talking, is also going to be there. If you ever wanted to fix an issue with Spark and didn't know how, come and join. If you've ever wanted to fix an issue with Spark, are in the Seattle area, you know how, join. Okay, cool. That's fantastic. So, yeah, this one. So we're also going to go ahead and we're going to post this on Blue Sky, I guess. Do you want to get involved in open source? Spark before AI. No, let's leave those out. We're running a contributor sprint in Seattle. That's okay. Stupid summary on Friday, March 13th. Oh yeah. Yeah. Did that? I think I am one of the hosts, but no, it says Danica and Felix. Folks, let me get started. So if you're watching the stream, and you're in the Seattle area, this is probably the kind of event that might be your vibe. Our community sprint is what we call it. Okay. Let's go. We're gonna do the same thing on Twitter. Twitter, Blue Sky. Except on Twitter, there's an Apache Spark account for us to mention. And then on tech.lgbt, I don't think there is. There we go. Fantastic. Okay. So yeah, if you are in Seattle area and like this, I mean, if you're in Seattle area and you're watching the stream, you should probably come to this event because like this is those vibes, right? Like we're gonna be hacking on open source together. It's gonna be amazing. I'm super stoked for this. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. If there okay, let's go ahead. Wanted to double check. Are you okay with this being merged as is, or do you want to continue the discussion around the API, around the param ordering? Cool. Right, and that's just like, yo, what's up? how vibes. And so we're going to go over here. Uh, um, Cool. CI passes on this one, and we've got 2 approvers, so I think we can probably merge this. I'm going to move this over to my, like, things that I want to merge pile. Okay, this is another thing that it's been approved. Should probably merge this. Resolve as duplicate. Lowercase. Yeah, okay. So these 2 are going to go in my merge queue. That's just like a personal merge queue, things that I'm going to try and merge as we get closer to the end. This one, I don't think we're going to get an answer on today, so we're going to push this over here for now. See how I get to a life of 1,000 tabs very easily. Okay. This is stacked, so we're going to draft. Okay, yeah. We're going to push this over here. Stacked PRs are fine, but like it doesn't make sense for us to try and merge it. This one I like. Yeah, this one I really wanted to have a chance to do a proper review. Yeah. So, stack the data. I mean, so eventually, we'll have to collect the summaries back to the driver. But the summaries will all have to fit anyways, even when we're executing in a loop, since we sort of and display them. Someone had a ridic number of columns. Let's go with silly. Ridic might not culturally translate so well. Had a silly number of columns. This could maybe be an issue, but the old approach wouldn't work well either. Because how we do the summaries, the merge steps are largely, not entirely, on the executives. If yeah. There might be a bit of extra data during the final merge step when we're merging the results from the different execs, but in that case, Catalyst could use tree merge if it really wanted to. Let's go take a look at tree merge. I want to double check. Ah, fuck, maybe we don't actually do it. Oh, could have sworn we'd have a tree merge implementation. But maybe I'm crazy? Or maybe it's called something else. I mean, those could both be true. It could be called tree reduce. Yeah. Okay. Tree reduce equal star SRC. When we're merging the aggregate objects, but if that ever became an issue, we could look at tree reduce. Again, this would likely only happen in generate case where the current implementation would be would also not behave well. I don't think I can merge this yet. Discussion is ongoing. So we're going to close that one for now. And a sneeze. Fantastic. Well, I guess I just sneezed. Whatever. Okay. Do we have a new test for this? We do. Okay. Let's go take a look at this, see if I can understand it. Okay. Yeah, this looks fine to me. Looks good to me. Shouldn't say can't merge it. I shouldn't merge it because it hasn't been around for long enough for everyone to have a chance to say anything. 3 days, we generally let them like sit for a little longer. But if no one says anything, we can definitely circle back to this. So you're going in my circle back pile of tabs. Okay, cool. Oh, 0 columns. Let's get Devin to review this, maybe? Yeah. Wait, really? Oh, shit. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh. If you've got the time for a quick review, would appreciate it. I don't really know the semantics of a 0 column data frame. I don't really know the semantics. What does a 0? I don't. This doesn't make a huge amount of sense to me why someone would want this, but yeah. We're not going to merge this though anytime soon, but let's put this over my follow back up with pile. How are we doing on time? Oh, we're only 35 minutes in. Wow, fantastic. Okay. So, okay, Dongjun approved this. I like Dongjun. Dongjun and I occasionally have technical disagreements, but like, he's solid. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and Bitmap is upgraded from 1.6. Oh, it's moved. Oh, I love this. I love it's on Maven Central. Oh, yay. Leave a review. One less resolver. Approve. Fantastic. I'm super stoked. That'll slightly speed up first build time. Not a lot, but a little bit. Okay. This was also, yeah. This is supposed to be in my like revisit pile. Oh god. Yeah. Okay, let's go take a look. It should have added an action. Did they add an action? I don't see a new action. Wait, where's the rough check? I don't see the rough check. Hmm. I don't. It seems silly. Okay. Oh yeah, let's go with. I don't. Okay. Ah, here we go. Here. Um. Let's go take a look at this. I wish it didn't make us change the comments, but yes. Okay. Oh, actually, wait, yeah. Delete. Delete. I okay. I get this for code. I don't. I can see. I don't know. Inline Unicode comments don't seem as bad as string/docstring issues. Start review. I'm gonna go ahead. Approved, although I'm uncertain if we need the comment changes. And I think we should be open to dropping it in the future if we find having Unicode comments for illustrating behavior. Yeah, because these are all like the comments ones are the ones that I just like don't care about. Or not, yeah. Doc strings, 100%, this makes sense. So it's approved. I don't personally, I would not have done rough 003, but like not enough to say like don't do this. I think we've already got another committer in conversation on it, so I don't think we need to follow up with this one. Okay. I do love more detailed error messages. Okay, could we do this some more? Hmm. Okay, I like this. Seems like a root. Um. Hmm. Oh yeah, okay, because the different languages, yeah. Um, I mean, this overall looks pretty reasonable. Um, so okay, yeah. So actions and transformations are separate concepts. So having them both mentioned would be better. Transformation, um, broadly speaking, the transformation is something which gives you back another data frame, data set RD, um, and action is one which collects, writes out, or otherwise forces evaluation of a data frame, data set, RD. It gets a bit, the distinction is a bit more blurry. Um, with a few specific transformations. Let's get started. Yeah, cool. Um, yes. Um, Thanks for working on this. I know it's still up. Left a comment about leaving in the transformation language. Cool. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. This is also one that we'll definitely follow up with, so it goes into my follow-up pile. And oh, this is Spark Connect specifically. Interesting. Hmm. This is... Okay. I like this. I think this is a good PR overall. I would love it if we had tests, personally, but I get it, it's a hard thing to test. It's already been approved, are they? Yeah, they're a suite at Databricks in Berlin. So it's already approved. I'm not overly concerned about it. Yeah, let's just go. Thanks for working on error messages. Slash debugging. Slash evidence. Cool. Because like it's another thing that a lot of people normally end up working on. This one, yeah, we already don't. We've left our comment about it, so we don't need to go too hard on it. Let's go back. Oh, the geo. Some geo folks I should run this by. Oh, this is an interesting idea. Okay, yeah, we can go with. Okay, not terrible. Oh yeah, okay. Okay. Oh, I love this idea. I think that's great. I hope it goes somewhere. Okay, cool. Let's go back through these. Okay, cool. All right, we've got a bunch of PRs that we were going to merge. We should maybe do that instead of going down this rabbit hole with like, well, maybe let's go down the rabbit hole a little bit. Oh yeah, okay, we're not doing this one today. Yeah. Um, uh, cool. Okay, actually, so this is approved. Okay, cool. Or more specifically, like, there's no objections. Okay, who all is, yeah, he says, I'm fine with this. And it's got an approval from me. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Let's double check quickly. To see the backwards compat. Just to make sure discussion has settled. Just to make sure all on the same page. Cool. Okay, sounds great. That's looking good. I don't think I'm gonna merge it though. Again, that's like active area of conversation. I love this. But not. It's still in progress. This is actually really interesting because there is also this SPIP happening for like doing um um VFs. Yeah. Um how lines up with doot doot doot. Um cool. Um okay, cool. Storage memory off heap. Yeah, that makes sense. I'm mentioned here. Uh, oh, I haven't been a very good reviewer on this one. This is kind of okay. Cool. Problem is, I don't really have a lot of spoons for uh okay. There. Interesting. Okay. Huh. I don't know enough about the off-peak storage. Hmm. Is it true the driver would never use off-peak storage? Set review. Um, yeah, this seems good. Um, yeah. Hmm. I don't. Okay. Seems reasonable-ish. Although we log a warning when uh, off-peak is configured and disabled. Cool. Okay, burst aware memory allocation for. Oh, I love this. Okay. Um. Oh, this is gonna be confusing as shit. Um. Yeah. Did the SPIP go anywhere? Okay. Um. Okay. What's the latest? Was it approved? I don't know. I'm not great at remembering things. So take a look. Okay, discussion thread. Oh yeah, this is huge. Okay. This is a really big proposal. So did this ever get voted on? I don't know if it did. I don't. I did. Okay, vote. I think the vote passed. Looks good. Yep, great. Okay. I don't know if they sent the formal vote passed email, but that's okay. Okay, well, this is great. This is big in terms of like a change. So I think what we'll do here is we're gonna push this off for a little while. And by that, what I mean is, I'm probably not going to review it today, but this is something we should come back to and do a separate review cycle around. So let me check. What's my day hold? Oh, I guess I've got lunch. Hmm. I guess I could just review this for lunch. Like, maybe not the healthiest lunch, mind you, though, so probably eat my leftovers at least. Okay. Sorry. We're not gonna get to this one today. I do like this though. Burst aware. Let's go mentions first. Yeah, I like this. We're gonna put that over here in my to follow up with later pile. Oh, this is a draft PR. We'll skip it. Oh yeah, okay. Why? Wait, what? Um, sure. What's the... Okay, so there's people like this. This is really large though, in terms of... This is huge. I think this was written with AI. Maybe. What's this for? Let's go take a look at this Jira. Yeah, okay, generated by what? Yeah, I don't know what this is for. This is a lot of. This just says. Okay. What's this for? What is this for? Like, what's the end goal? The Jira just says need to investigate. But generally we just had Maven be the build of record and SBT be the dev build. Is there a problem we're trying to solve? I just maybe I'm missing it. I don't see it. And this is like, it's a huge pile of generated Python script that I don't care about? This seems silly unless... No. No. God damn it. A unique um okay, on the flip side, connectors different than querying the same data for different backends could result in different results, which might be confusing, although I doubt the backends are going to care about our constraint spec here, although the connectors, hopefully, if they can't follow it, would drop it. Reply? Yeah, that's just a, like, I don't know. This seems weird. I hate fucking AI. Code review. It's just so much of it's garbage. And then people just raise the PRs and then the maintainer has to deal with it. Yeah. Oh yeah, Dongjun. Gotcha. Dongjun's on this one. He's got it. Cool. And it does not merge cleanly, so. Okay. I think this is probably dead. I'm just guessing based on uh um something tells me this is going to be some AI slop. Yes, it is. Not surprising. Just based on the way this comment was written. I don't love that they force the Databricks people to use Databricks GitHub accounts. That's not cool. I mean, I mean, only if MaxGet doesn't want to carry it forward. Are you done? This is kind of like in my mind not cool. So what does this do? I like having types. Yeah, we're gonna put this in my follow-up with, because I don't super like the, like, I just close your PR because I'm gonna do it instead sort of vibe. Um, cool. I like that. Um, oh, interesting. Um, yes. Um, okay. Okay. Kafka. Um, yep. Okay. Yeah. Um, um, oh, local standalone. Yarn is really the only one that matters here. Local doesn't. Okay, I wouldn't be worried about. I wouldn't be worried about local. I wouldn't be worried about local here. I don't see it impacting it. So really, standalone yarn, but um, standalone yarn. But I think just fixing yarn is a good enough place. Yeah. Um, I do. Okay. I'm gonna take a look at the code. Um, Again, it's been a while. Let's go take a look here. Yeah, this seems fine. Um, I think this seems fine to me. Yeah, okay. Submit review. This looks like good incremental progress to me. Um, yeah, okay. Executor core as well. Yeah. Uh, Spark on yarn resource profile. Resource profile. Okay. Um, yeah. I do. Okay, so here This gets executor cores. I mean, yeah. Okay. Go double check the resource profile logic. Resource profile. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Question is, if it's resource profile, here we go. Runnable. Executor core. Yeah. For resource profile, it's already using the existing executor cores in the runnable, which should be fine. It should respect the executor. We should respect the resource profile, and if not, fix that. And if we could fix it in a follow-up. Let's go. Resource profile suite. Let's go find runnable. Okay. Cores. Yeah. Resource passed into executor runnable. Going from the comp directly. So yeah. Yeah. This is the one here. Yeah. No. Okay, let's go ahead. Quote reply. So it pulls the cores let's pass into the executor runnable, which I think is the right place. We don't think we, which is the right place, and varies on resource profile, and the instructor varies on resource profile ID. I'm going to go ahead and approve this. Because I think it looks fine to me. This looks fine to me. This looks fine to me. But let's leave it open for a few days. Let's see if I missed something. See if any new concerns are raised. Cool. Progress. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah. Yep. Cool. Everyone's wanna update the PR. And do a merge after. Yeah. Although, actually, wait, isn't this, aren't these normally automatically handled by the relocation? Notice that ID. All right, cool, fantastic, love it. Okay. Oh. Where did this go? Yeah. I don't, it's about check on scheduler task. I don't, yeah, this is, I don't understand what the problem is. I don't understand what they're trying to solve with this one. Oh yeah, okay, I remember this. The custom matcher. Yeah, okay. This one I think is actually probably fine. Let's double check it. Should be fatal. Error. Yeah, okay. This one is good to me. Yeah, looks good to me. Right. Yeah, I remember this now. Yeah. Yeah, the naming here was confusing, but now we're gonna have clearer exceptions. This only really matters for developers, but I like this. I don't want to deal with this. That's I I don't super care about unifying the output of these two different build tools. Um, not Yeah, I don't have strong opinions about this. Um, Probably not gonna deal with it. Although maybe. Okay. So, oh, this is a draft PR. Where was I mentioned? Was I mentioned? Uh, okay. Gotcha. Okay. They're coming back to this later. Fantastic. So, let's see here. What have we got queued up to merge? We've got this one. Looks good. We've got this one. Looks good. This one looks good. This one we can't merge yet. Um, oh yeah, this one is I don't like this one, mostly because it's just a takeover of an old PR redone with Claude, so it's probably worse. Because like yeah. Okay. Cool. How's this one? Oh, this is cool. Come back to it later. Damn it. Okay. What about this one? Yeah. Also, come back to this later. This one I'll come back to later. Again, I don't have the sufficient context. Devon signs off on it. That looks good. Okay. This is from 3 days ago. I probably can't merge it just yet. We should give people more time. Wait, what? This is the duplicate. Yeah, this is the other thing to follow up with. Okay, yeah. So I guess we just really have these three PRs. Let's go see if my PR made it through CI. If it did, I can merge it too. Bring me joy, because I like merging code. No, not yet. Friend, please make it through CI soon. Double check everything's resolved. Yeah. Resolve. Resolve. Hour ago. Okay. Maybe we can do emerging stuff in the afternoon too. Okay. Seems fine. Uh, So yeah, what branch are we on? Okay. Git pull Apache. Yep. I would like to merge from a month ago. Yep. Okay. Committer sign off on it. We're good. Well, let's go double check the JIRAs, right? Especially sometimes with new contributors, they can get the JIRA wrong. So let's go double check the JIRA before we merge it. Spark JIRA. Sparse, but okay. Log in. Oh, I need Devin's Jira account. Oh, fantastic. Okay. Sign it to Devin. Um, I think it'll be 4.2 then. Yep, cool. It is fixed in 4.2. Oh, no, sorry, 4.0.0, fixed version, 4.2. Okay. Merged. Fixed should be in 4.2. IEX Max. Yeah, and so I think there's another one. It's on a separate PR. You are 5.0. Um, uh, yeah, gotcha. Let's make a separate zero. Separate PRs. Uh, just for cool. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All done. Okay, that's done. Okay. I haven't dealt with the ASF website in a long time, so let's go over to Spark Dash website. Or more accurately, like I've been dealing with, I haven't merged a Spark website PR in a while. So let's see if that works. This is pull request 679. Cool. Merge. Cool. Done. Okay. Here we go. Back to this one. Yes. Oh, no. That's the Jira. Yes. Okay. Spark Jira. Let's go find it. It's going to be. Yep. All right. 4.2.0. Lads. Cool. Cool. Merged. Should be in 4.2. Sorry, it took too long. Cool. There we go. Done. And resolve issue. Fixed. Oh shit, I forgot to resolve the other one. That we just had. Not this one. This one. Yeah, there we go. This one. Resolve. Fix. Go down to this one. And so. Cool. 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 Oh, my shoulder is killing me. Oof. Okay. I don't. This is huge. This just takes over an existing person's PR. Doesn't even said that they want to give up on it necessarily. So I don't. Whatever. Sorry for being grouchy. That's my bombs. Okay. What are the chances of this finishing soon? Let's go see test results. Low. Low, I would say. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna go eat lunch because it's important to eat food, right? Um, Yeah. All right. Yeah. I'm gonna go eat food and do things that are not Spark for a few hours. Not a few hours. Maybe for 1 hour. Oh, oh, I'm a little sore. Oh shit. Laundry. Okay. I'm gonna go do laundry, eat lunch, and do fun things. But yeah. Thanks everyone for joining. Um, Again, if you're in the Seattle area, March 13th, I want to say, and you want to contribute to Spark, you should come and hang out, and we'll be doing cool things. Seattle area, I think it's in Bellevue. Starts at lunch. There's free lunch. There might even be Taco Bell. It sounds like. I'm excited about that. I like Taco Bell. So Taco Bell. Yep. Okay. Cool. Have a nice one, y'all.